Hello guys, welcome to Total Technology, and in today's video we are going to do another web scraping. And you guys, I feel that you guys like web scraping well. So here is our another try to do some scraping of another famous Indian website, and this time we are going to say suppose scrap the real estate market in India or in any developed countries. We know the real estate market rises very high, and the growths are very uh, steep. So most of the real estate market like 99 acres or Makaan.com in India, for India I guess, and for outside for rent purpose you can use Airbnb and other popular site is there. So today we are going to scrap Makaan.com. It's basically, let's just first open this site, that is Makaan.com. Yeah, that's the site. Oh no, don't know why this is become blank here. Maybe I already scrapped, they have detected my IP or something like that. Let us try to zoom it. No, some issue in cookie, or I guess let us try it open in Internet Explorer. Okay, no, we don't want Internet Explorer as our default browser, so let's close this tab. Okay, and here we can type Makaan.com. Let's see whether it is opening properly or having some issues. Okay, let's first go to google.com. From here go to Makaan. There is some issue with the browser, I guess. Let me check it again. If I do Makaan, okay, so this is the site here, guys. You can actually find the listing of different properties which is available for buying, or you can new project is coming, or you can also select or I guess rent the properties in different cities. So basically, say suppose we want to rent the we want the data list of the rent the properties available for rent in a certain location of Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi, whatever the city it is, and say you are giving as Kolkata as a city, or you can also do east, south, northwest. We are giving Kolkata, whole Kolkata. So that's the thing. So as you can see, it has listed down the properties which is available for renting. This is the first page, and if we browse here, you can, at the bottom of the page, you can see here is your list of the total number of pages here. So if we go to the page number 4 or copy the link here, so basically the link will look like page is equal to 4 at the end of this. So that's it, we have got our the main browsing page. For your information, we have already searched the entire network tab of inspect element for any API which is accessible or we can access. I didn't find any. You guys please comment in our video. So if we have done some mistake, what I am saying is no API is available, so data is not available for dictionary format. So we are going to scrap it via simple beautiful soup, and using the inspect element we are going to grab these properties values, I guess, price and other things in locations, square feet, furnish or not, everything we will going to scrap it via beautiful soup. So first thing first, we are going to close this Internet Explorer and open our Eclipse, and I have already opened the project here. The total code is also available which I have tested. Let us do that code again for you guys. So for that we are going to right click on it, new PyDev module, say the name is this time let us grab Kolkata, that give the name as Kolkata. So it has created kolkata.py and our template would be empty. So okay, so some message have come, sorry guys for the disruption. Let's forget about it. So the first thing first, we are going to use import request, and okay, then import lxml, then import say bs beautiful soup 4, then import io, okay, and then say import system, then you can use sys dot std out, this is for Unicode character, dot reconfigure, I guess, and your encoding is equal to UTF-8. So for this our encoding will be UTF-8, and the rest of the thing we don't need it as of now. Okay, let's save this code now. First thing first, so response equal to request dot get, and our URL is page 1. It will start from page 1. Okay, so now response is equal to say response dot text, and let's print the response here and see if something is coming or not. Okay, yes, everything is coming. Okay, so basically guys, we are getting the response in text format. Now we are going to format it with beautiful soup. So for that, let's say data is equal to bs4 dot beautiful soup, and our thing is response, and we are going to reformat in lxml. So now as the beautiful soup have collected the data, we are going to select from this beautiful soup element. Let us print that first for your convenience. Let us print same thing, no problem. Okay, so if you are going say suppose we are now going to scrap this details from this website. So let's say this 3 BHK apartment in Siddha Happy Ville, Rajarat, Kolkata, it is coming like this. So we are going to right click on it and inspect. Don't worry guys, my system is quite slow. I don't have Mac or other system right now, or even it is fair to say I don't have money to buy those system. Actually I am doing my this entire thing in our office laptop, which is which has no, don't allow anything, but using it using a VMware, I am getting sorry by VMware I have created a virtual machine of Windows 7, and in this I have installed all the things. That is why it is quite slow, because VMware most probably heavy. So as you see, let me change the position here first. That's great. Okay, so as you can see, this thing is 3 BHK apartment. This text are in under this a target blank href in this thing. So its parents div class is title line title info wrap. It is under info wrap, and if we say suppose close this, this is the listing card, I guess. This is the card holder. So LI card holder. So I guess we need to get this card holder. Guys, so all the data is in this card holder, I guess. So let us select this card holder. So we will do this like read is equal to data dot select, and we are going to select card holder. Okay, I guess I am doing correct. Okay, now the part you have to do is check the length of the card holder. So we are going to print the length of read and see how many properties it is listing here. 21. That's great. So in one page it is coming as 21 apartment details. So one by one from 21 we are going to fetch this details from here. So basically we need to again inspect element. So as we are seeing this 3 BHK apartment, sorry, I have wrongly clicked it there. Okay, so 3 BHK apartment, this is coming under say div class title line. So let us select that. What we can do is using a for loop you can iterate it for I in range of length of read. Say title is equal to I dot find all, and we are going to find what? We are going to find div class with sorry, this is not the this bracket, it is a class and our class name is title dash line. Okay, so this should give us the or find all the title line under this 21, I guess. So what we will do is give us we will like this, we will type an error checking here. So if length of I guess title greater than 0, then print what? Title 0 dot get text. Okay, let us what is this error? Don't know what error it is coming. Okay, we don't need range here. My bad. We are going to simply iterate through the loop here. For I in read, okay, let's play it. Cool. So we got our name, and if you can see some of the some of the apartment don't have this type of name here, so it has omitted. That's good, great. So this line we will change with title is equal to title 0 dot get text. So okay, and similarly we will change this with our next finding. So this price one, so as you can see price is under TD class price, or you use this TD class price, change this to price, this one will be also price, price, price. Next, okay, one thing more, this has some comma here, we need to change that too. So price is equal to price dot replace, we are going to replace comma with nothing. Okay, that's the thing. Now secondly, this square feet area, this square feet area is in TD class size. So we will copy this and let us open this in a notepad. In this way I guess it will be easier. And price with size. Now let's copy paste it. For size I guess this line is not necessary. Let me check it. Why we are replacing comma? Because we are going to save it as a CSV file, so comma will create a problem, it will separate from that portion if we don't remove these commas. So okay, the price size part has been done. So now the status. So if you go to this, so this is under TD class val. So similarly we will change this to size to val. Okay, this line is also not needed. So that's the value, status value. And now this detail, listing detail. So this is under ul class listing dash details. So this is would be, let us change this val to listing details, and this is under, you can see, ul listing dash details. So this will going to change to ul, and this is going to listing dash details. Let us copy paste it now. So that's the listing details. So let us make this here like scrapped data is equal to string of what, title plus space, which we are going to replace it via comma later on when we are going to save it as a CSV. So again, string price separated by space, then again string val, price size, okay, size val, string size, string val, then string listing details, we have converted it to string for our better purposes, because if something is coming, just the price and other square feet area is coming as an integer, then it would not concatenate. So that's why we are doing like this. So now we are going to check what it is printing. Or you can do one thing also, what I am thinking is the this, apart from listing detail, you can use this no deposit, I mean use li class title deposit, li class li title bathroom 8 of the 11th floor, like this. Okay, so let's change this to like this one only, that will be better, I guess. So let's change this to li, and it is not class, it will be title, and the last thing will be deposit. So sorry, this listing price, let us change this to deposit. Let's change this to deposit. So there will be a change in code. This would be deposit. Another one would be, say, bathroom. So what we are going to do is replace deposit with bathroom or rooms. Okay, rooms. So that is bathrooms. So that will be bathrooms, and the next is the floor. Floor deposit availability. Okay, so we can change bathroom to floors. Floor or floors, let us check. It is under floor. Okay, LI class 4. So copy this. Then we are having also this availability. So we are going to change that to floor to availability. Paste it here, and so we will change this to bathroom floor availability. Deposit bathroom floor availability. So this will be deposit plus string of bathrooms and string of floor, then again space, then string of availability. Okay, so now let's print the script data. So 2 BHK apartment, 3 BHK apartment in flat, 2 BHK apartment house, 2 BHK apartment in Mani Ratnam, 9,000 rupees, 1068 square feet, unfurnished 18,000 deposit, 2 bathroom, and some have availability, some don't have. So here it is unfurnished deposit. For deposit we need this line also. So deposit is equal to deposit dot replace, and the replaced value would be comma, will be replaced by none. Okay, so let us run this again. Great. These are the where we are don't getting any value for the floor, and if we have floor then the value will come for this 8 of 11 floor. Okay, so we are going to base. So what we can do is here we are going to write like this with io dot open. Our file name will be Kolkata 1, anything, kol dot csv. We'll open this at writable, and encoding is equal to UTF-8 as F1, and then F1 dot write. This will what will write this same thing, slash n for new line, and here we will what we will write is title comma value, sorry, title, then we have title, price, size, value, title, price, size, then value, then deposit bathroom, deposit bathroom availability, floor availability, sorry. So here floor comma availability, and here you can say deposit value, deposit value. Okay, so what we are going to close this, f1 dot close, and here with io dot open file name is our same col.csv. Here we will open it as append, because we want this append one by one, the values which should append one by one. So col.csv and same encoding is equal to UTF-8 as f2, similarly f2 dot write, sorry, this would be write, and the value would be scrap data. sorry, scrap data plus slash n, again f2 dot close. Okay, so let's run this code and see. It has created code.csv. Let us open that. Okay, it has some problem, but the problem is due to here we are not separating it via comma. That is why it is printed in one line. So let me separate it via comma here, then that should be not a problem. Okay, now let's run this again. Now as you can see, it says coming 3 BHK apartment, price 44,000, size 1660, semi furnished, no deposit, 3 bathroom, 8 floor, availability not available. So that is why it is coming as blank. We can use some other method like pandas or something, or you can change that too. That is not a problem. So now the thing is that we need to iterate a loop through the entire page from it. So as you can see, 5032 rental properties, so total 5032 numbers of properties is listed. So let me find this where it is val count. So this is on the div class if count wrap, and that is a 5032 value is coming val count. So let us access this page number here using beautiful soup. Then we can do a for loop for that. So how we can do that? This is the our code, and what we can do is here similarly copy paste this code. Let us paste it here. So response 1, let us name this response 1, response 1, data 1. So read 1, again this is data 1. Okay, okay, so what we can do, it is response.text. From there we can remove this line, or data 1 we can say this like data 1 is equal to data 1 dot find, and what we are going to find, it is strong, then comma, and class is equal to val count. So class is equal to val dash count. Okay, we are basically selecting this one, because if we are select this one, this rental properties in Kolkata text will also come. So then you can do is simply read1 is equal to read1 dot replace, and we are going to replace comma with nothing. Then read1 is equal to integer of here you can change this to count. So okay, one line we have missed. Read1 is equal to read1 dot get text. Okay, so let us print this read count here, what it is coming. Okay, so as you can see 5032 is coming. So in one page how many properties are there? We have seen it before, it is 21. So what we can do is we can copy this read dot here, read1 is equal to data dot select data1 dot select card holder, change this to read2, and so final count loop count, you can say loop count is equal to integer of, we are not going to take the fraction, count divided by length of read2. So print loop count here and see what it is coming. So 239, very good. And so we have declared one variable as 1 here. Okay, so this part we have done for iterating, creating the value, and from here we are going to for I in what, for I in range of loop count. Loop count, here we are going to change this one to string of dd, because dd is integer and integer and string can't concatenate. That's okay. Now that's it. It will then iterate through the loop. So we are going to increase the dd value, say after all this we are going to increase dd is equal to dd plus 1, and here we can also print dd value. Now this all should be in the for loop, so that we will change this to correct the indentation. I guess this is right now. So okay, so here what we are doing, that we are printing the like this, page number string dd, so it will print the page number here, and this will change this string, the dd loop to the dd, and we are increasing the dd here. Okay, so let us run this code again, and let's check whether it is creating the CSV file or iterating to the pages or not. So okay, it has some problem. It is not like this. dd is equal to 1, so for that it is printing in page number 1, then 22. My bad. Let us run this again. Now it is increasing one by one. Actually the case is that at the end of there dd is increasing by 21 by length. That is why the problem is coming, because it's iterating 21 times through that second for loop. So we need that in first for loop. My bad. So 239 times I guess this page number will iterate. So I will basically pause the video until it is completed, and then I will show you the CSV file. Okay, it has iterated through all the loops. Let us check this kolkata.csv, and okay, so as you can see, there are lots of data filled up here. We can also check the project file here. This is the path where it is. That's the size 470 KB. So as you can see, 5020 number of data it has collected. All it's here. You can see you can also freeze this pane. Here so you can see now we can do lots of analysis with this data. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share our videos, and do comment about how you like it, hate it, or whatever you have in your mind. Give it is on our comment. So that's it guys, bye bye, take care, and we will see you over on another next video. Bye.